Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and fine. Alhamdulillah, and I am fine too. Okay, so I'm here again with my brand new video. The video is all about letters and sound. So quickly join me and let's get do some activities and vocabulary pictures. Okay, now all of you ready, and I'm welcoming them again who has just joined me. Now come and let's start the lesson. Okay, so what is the letter for today? Which letter is this? This is letter E. This is letter E. This is letter E. And what is the sound of letter E? Letter E sounds eh. Letter E sounds eh. Letter E sounds eh. So which letter is this? Letter E, and letter E sounds eh. Letter E and letter E sounds eh. So what is the next letter? Letter F. Letter F. Letter F. And what is the sound of letter F? Letter F sounds f. Letter F sounds f. Letter F sound f. Letter F sounds f. Okay, now repeat it with me. Letter E sounds eh. Letter F sounds f. Letter E sounds eh. Letter F sounds f. Okay, now it's vocabulary picture time. Tan. So what you can see in my hands? Yes, this is a fork. And where we use the fork? When we used to eat noodles. Yes, we can eat noodles with this. We can eat, sliced food with this, and we can also use this to eat the cut fruits as well. And what is this? This is a fork. And what is the beginning sound of fork? Fork. Fork. Okay. Now, another picture. Yes, which vegetable is this? This is an eggplant. And eggplant begins with eh. Eggplant begins with eh. Eh. Eggplant. Eh. Eggplant. Football. Football. Egg. What we like to eat in the breakfast? Egg. And egg begins with egg. This is an egg. And what is this? It's a cute little fish. And what is the beginning sound of fish? Fish begins with fish begins with okay. And which giant animal is this? Elephant. And what is the color of this elephant? Gray. Yes, good job. And it has a long trunk. And what is the beginning sound of elephant? Eh, elephant. Eh, elephant. Now, all of you ready? Let's repeat all the sounds, letters and the vocabulary pictures. Letter E sounds eh. Letter F sounds f. Eh, eggplant. Eh, egg. Eh, elephant. Football. Fork. Fish. Now what time is this? Yes, it's a wind-up time. So what I will do first, I will pick up my sound cards. Letter E sounds. Yes, egg. Eggplant. Egg. Elephant. Now, letter F sounds. Fork. Football. Fish. So I hope you all enjoyed this lesson too, and you all will be practicing with your mommies, and you will be giving your suggestions and your feedback in my comments box. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, to kindly subscribe my channel, like and share it too. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.